loves, welcome back. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification so that you'll know when I upload my next video. Tell a friend, tell that friend to tell a friend, then y'all come back and see me. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. My hair is in two ponytails that have been in my head for about 3 days because it wasn't dry. Okay, so this is how I'm going to start. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Cantu Coconut Curling Cream, some organic castor oil, and water. And this is my hair before I start the process. Cute, fluffy, with a little bit of texture. And we're gonna get right to it, guys. Some of the tools that you will need to do this hairstyle, it's just a comb. I'm pretty much going to finger part, and I should have been neater with my sections because I really don't like the way the back of my hair turned out. Nonetheless, I'm going to wear this protective style for about 3 weeks or so. I may be able to wear it longer than that. If so, that'd be great. There are several things that you can do when you have mini twists in your hair. You can use this as a protective style. You can, if you like to wear wigs, you can use it under a wig. You can just install extensions over your twist. There are so many things that you can do. You can do a roller set or a rod set on your twist. Listen, the possibilities are endless. So whatever you do with your mini twist, do that, girl. But I'm fixing to show you how to get them in your head. So let's get it. Okay, honeys, after I made my initial part, what I wanted to do was go ahead and section my hair so that I could have parts that were more workable and I didn't feel overwhelmed while twisting my hair. Installing mini twists in your hair can take quite a bit of time. I think mine took about 3.5 to 4 hours, and FYI, your girl was having a really good time. While I was doing my hair, I was watching the Clark sisters, the first ladies of gospel, and let me tell you, if you can't, now let me hush. Okay, y'all. Let's get back to this hair. So go ahead and pre-section your hair into workable sections, and that's going to make it a lot easier and more manageable for you to get this task done. Okay, honeys, I'm going to be using the Cantu Coconut Curling Cream as my leave-in or my styling cream for these twists. I do want to say that during the installation process of these twists, sometimes I would put the coconut curling cream on my hair first, and sometimes I would twist my hair first and then add the coconut curling cream to the ends and then distribute it through the entire length of the twist. So that is entirely up to you. My hair is pretty moisturized from the deep conditioning treatment that I did prior to putting this style into my hair. So for me, I was kind of using it as a styler versus as something to maintain the moisture in my hair. Me putting that castor oil on my hair really is going to serve as my moisturizer as well as my sealant. So the coconut curling cream, like I said, it's just really to give my hair a little more definition in the twists. Okay, honeys, I am back and we're going to go ahead and do this front section. I know that I've had this video sped up for the most part, and the rest of these twists you're going to see me do them at a very fast speed, but towards the end of this video I am going to slow it down so that you all can see how I'm doing the twist. This is just a simple 2-strand twist. I'm not doing the double twisting method to make them look like ropes where you're twisting the hair on both sides and then twisting together. I'm just doing a regular straight down 2-strand twist. So let's get it. Okay, honeys, we are at the section of the video where I'm going to slow it down. You're only going to see this at 2 times speed. So what I did here is go ahead and pre-section my hair. I'm rubbing a little bit of that coconut curling cream onto my hair. And I'm just going to go ahead and do a regular 2-strand twist. Okay guys, so I always try to detangle my hair if needed before I did the twist. To me, that just makes the twist look more uniform and really pretty. So as I'm twisting down, you can see that I grabbed my water bottle there because that hair is at the front of my head and it's the last section. So it was a little drier than the rest of the hair when I was twisting it. So as you're doing this process, add water as needed, add your styling cream or your leave-in, whatever it is that you're using to twist your hair. The products are up to you. It's what works for your hair. But as you can see, my hair is very long. It's long and it's fine. So when my hair is in twist, it definitely looks like, I don't know, kind of like how my hair would have looked way back when, y'all, when I had a perm. Listen, that's what I feel like my twists look like. They just look like long and kind of lifeless. But nonetheless, I still rock them because it's a great protective style and I love the way they look in my hair. This is the hair that God gave me and this is the only thing that I have to work with. So I'm going to rock these twists. I'm going to enjoy them and we're going to keep it moving. Okay, honeys, we are completely done with these mini twists on my long, fine, natural hair. Guys, I do want to say I cannot wait for my hair to grow out a little bit more and so that these raggedy parts aren't as visible. Not only that, the ends of my hair are so much fuller than they were several months ago. I'm definitely happy with my process. I'm still going to do a trim soon. I just haven't done it because I'm continuously doing protective styles and my hair is very healthy. I'm eventually going to get rid of the thinner hair that's on the front section of my hair, but again, that hair is a different texture, so it's doing just fine now. It's thriving. My hair is continuing to grow and I'm not losing any ends. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to loosely band my twists because these are still kind of wet, and in order for me to have them kind of stretch out, I'm just going to put a few rubber bands on the twists to keep them stretched until they dry. Okay, honeys, we are here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend. Tell that friend to tell a friend. And y'all come back and see me. I'm wishing you all peace, love, and a whole lot of light. And remember that glowing stars on the inside. God bless. Bye-bye.